Okay, so I don't know how well this is showing up, but this is an LED light, and only half of them come on. But on the back, you've got this little cap, good, and on this one you can see, or hopefully you can see, it's moving. So one side of this cap is not soldered on the other side. It broke loose. Maybe it was dropped or something. I'm not really sure. What I'm going to try and do is solder it in place. And so I'm going to try to push it down, put solder on the back of the lead, get a ball back there, and pull it back against the circuit board. And maybe I can get it to solder without having to try to unsolder all this stuff and put it back together, because it's pretty intense. Let's get this heated up to, I think I get it set for 300 or 350. Wow, I got it set for 350. That's hot. Let's get some solder back here. And I don't, so you probably can't see any of this, but and it worked. That sucker is soldered into place. So now let's give it a try. Get this unplugged. Let it sit there and cool down. And yes, all of them work. So I'm a hero. I have saved the day. My wife went to a yard sale and she saw this, and she's been looking for floodlights to put on the Christmas ornaments in the front yard. And so she asked them how much. I think they said $1. And then she said, well, let me try it. And only half the lights come on, which told me it was something either burnout or not connected. But anyway, I mean, she didn't tell me anything about it. It was only half lit up. And so I guess she hee-hawed or said, nah, that's all right. I won't spend $1 on it. But anyway, they said, how about free? And so they give it to her. And so she found something that she felt like was worth $1, or that was worth 50 cents. And she gave them $1 and said, keep it. So she paid 50 cents for this and 50 cents for whatever she had bought. So that was the thing, because half of it did light up, and she figured, well, then 50 cents for the floodlight, because they wanted $1, and half of it lights up, so it's 50 cents. I guess, I don't know, but anyway. So that was an easy fix. Not often is it just a simple capacitor to solder back in, and in this case, it wasn't a simple soldering job, but it did turn out to be super simple. So on that board, it's a daughter board soldered to the back of this LED panel, and it's surface mounted. It's surface soldered, and this is going to be a big aluminum heatsink probably, and it'll be hard to unsolder that surface mount and then resolder it back again. And so that's why I decided I wanted to try to solder it in circuit. You have to be careful about stuff like that, because this has a ground screw on it. And the ground screw is there for a particularly good reason, because you don't want to short anything in your circuit, especially when you're soldering in circuit. So you put a wire on there and run it to ground, and then you're grounded, and so you don't have to worry about static electricity or anything like that whenever you're actually soldering on the device. Shouldn't have to worry about electricity because it shouldn't be plugged in. But that's so what I got to thinking, I said, well, I'll just put some Kester. Well, I haven't been using Kester. I use my homemade solder. Look up my video on pine tree solder, resin solder, and that's what I've been using a lot here lately. This is a more watered down version, but works very well. And I think this over here is, no, that's about the same. But you get that cheap hard block of resin from China and mix it with IPA, and you have flux for soldering. So I put some of that on there, let it soak through, and then I got the some good solder on my tip, and then I pushed the capacitor's the leg down below the circuit board, and I was able to get to it and put some solder on that tip and pull the capacitor back just a little bit against the board. And that was enough heat to solder it back into place, which is pretty cool because my only other option was to pull that daughter board off and try to solder that away, which would have been a lot harder. So she works. Could have been free and was 50 cents. So she works. If you got one of these LED panels like this right here, and you want to check it out, if only half of it's lit up, or maybe none of it's lit up, they could both be loose. They're probably cheap to begin with, and so a sharp drop could cause it to break loose on the solder. If you shake it around, this right here probably would have the top and bottom would have lit up. But that's all I got. I appreciate you being here, and I enjoy spending time with you. I thank you, and I will see you next time. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.